Welcome to FullOnBaan. This video walks through the fiscal period close checklist for Infor LN 10.8. We will cover period statuses, year-end balancing, the irreversible final close, and the validation reports you must run after. Use this as your repeatable year-end playbook. Fiscal period close is your year-end ritual. It finalizes every period, clears profit and loss to retained earnings, and creates the opening balances of the new year. Most steps are irreversible, so the order matters. Get this right once a year and your audit becomes easy. 3 statuses, 3 meanings. Open is a working state. Closed is a soft lock you can still undo. Finally closed is permanent and applied via the close period session. The final close requires every prior period to also be finally closed. That sequencing prevents accidental gaps in your year. 5 sessions drive the close. Rebuild opening balance ensures your history is consistent. Provisional close is a safe dry run. Automatic balancing of profit and loss moves the P&L into retained earnings. Final close locks every GLD period. And close year creates the new year opening balances and seals the prior year permanently. 6 items must be ticked before close. Process every integration transaction. Run depreciation across the fixed asset register. Run foreign exchange revaluation on open entries. Reconcile every sub-ledger to the GL. Finalize every posted batch. And take a fresh database backup before any irreversible session runs. Skip any one and you regret it later. Close period types in this order. First, the operational soft cutoff. Second, the reporting period to lock management numbers. Third, the tax period after declaration filing. Fourth, the fiscal period for statutory books. Fifth, the GLD period at the very end of year close. And always allow time for external audit reads if needed. 6 rules and pitfalls. Run the provisional close every month so year-end becomes routine. Keep the last GLD period open until you actually run close year. Restrict final close access. Always back up before irreversible steps. Avoid closing too early. And never skip the rebuild balance step. These small disciplines save weeks of pain. Thank you for watching. Visit FullOnBaan to access training, the knowledge repository, and certification programs. Connect on LinkedIn and YouTube.